Right, this is the VX2TV food channel update. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, people of the internet, specifically all 60 subscribers of the VX2TV food channel. I don't know if you're aware of this, but this VX2TV thing was a project between myself and fellow photographer, videographer, Paul Venomous. And Paul Venomous decided that he wanted to ditch the whole YouTube thing and start a men's clothing line. I wish him all the best. No hard feelings. Good luck with that endeavor. But that puts me in a bit of a pickle because I already run my photography business, and then I have a secondary photography business, and then I have my own YouTube channel that I'm running. So, and I got other things going on. So it's just, in terms of timing and being able to put the effort into the production that we have been currently, I guess the level of production that we've currently been doing on the channel, I can't do that on my own. So I've been thinking about what I want to do with the channel, because I love food. I love this idea of this food channel. Be quiet, phone. But anyway, the thing is, like, I love food. I love cooking. There was a time in my life when there was a choice to be made, and it's either like become a photographer or go to school for culinary arts. And I chose photography because I have a passion for it. I love it, and I still have that passion in my heart for food. So this channel was a fun way to explore that side of who I am. And of course, everyone likes food, right? Everyone wants to watch. And the idea was to get like hot models and babes and get them to like cook things and have fun with it. And you know, sometimes the food works, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, we had some pretty good fail videos along the way so far. But I'm thinking about, like, what do I want to do? How do I want to go forward with the channel and make it something that is easy for me to work on, as opposed to being something that's going to be a burden for me. So what I want to do is just kind of flip things around a little bit. I'm going to take the production value down a notch and just keep it super simple and just roll with it. And the idea now is I'm going to still do recipes and food stuff. Right now it's the whole, you know, pandemic thing, so we're all under self-isolation. There's not much I can do. I can't really get models in here to do cooking videos and things like that, and I can't really go anywhere to film, so I'm kind of stuck in my studio right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make, my studio's kind of been taken over by plants. I'm going to make some plant videos and some basic cooking videos, and, you know, just experiment with it, run with it, and just have some fun with it and see where it goes. I'm also talking to a couple models right now, and I'm going to see if they can do some cooking videos with their phones behind the scenes. You know, just something in their own homes. You know, what do you cook that's simple and easy during your self-isolation and that kind of thing, you know? So I'm talking to a couple girls about that. I'm going to do some plant videos, and I'm going to do some food videos as well. And I'm just going to keep it super simple and super easy and super fun and just roll with it. And we're going to see what develops. So this message is to the 60 of you who have subscribed to this channel. And if you want to stick around, fantastic. I would appreciate that. I definitely want to try and grow this channel. You know, if you unsubscribe, that's cool too. I mean, you got to do what you got to do. But I just wanted to do the right thing and update everybody, because I know right now it's VX2TV food, and we built a certain brand and an image, and that's what we are. But now it's going to evolve into something else, but the direction is still going to be food mixed in with a little bit of greenery, because, you know, that's all. I think that's all part of the future, you know, taking care of the planet, eating healthy, all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to keep going in that direction, and that is the plan. So there's your update. Stay tuned for more. I got some plant videos already filmed. I'm going to drop them on the channel soon. And hopefully some of these models I'm talking to get their behind the scenes cooking videos set up so I can upload them to the channel. So that is that. Stay tuned for more. And if you like it, subscribe.